So guys, this is the part 2 of the video how to diagnose a bad alternator for this 2004 Nissan Sentra. And we got this brand new alternator, and we are going to install this. And guys, I'm not gonna show you how to install this anymore because it's gonna be hard for me to film. As you can see, it's very tight in there. But anyway, there's only like 2 bolts at the bottom and 1 bolt in here, so it's really straightforward. So guys, as soon as I finish installing this, I'm gonna show you if this brand new alternator will charge our battery. So guys, the brand new alternator is already installed. So now, that's the old one. So I'm using my booster. Now guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this car will gonna charge. So we are expecting, guys, that this car will charge. There you go, guys. See that? The battery light, the indicator lamp is gone. So meaning, guys, it's charging. So let's check our battery if it's charging now. Hold on. Look at my multimeter. So I'm gonna remove first the booster, and as you hear, guys, there's no changes on the idle, so I'm pretty sure it's charging, but we still need to check. So positive, and as you can see, guys, 14 volts. So now it's all good. So let it run for a few minutes. Let it charge, guys. So let me show you again the diagram. So when you turn on the engine, there should be a indicator lamp in there, which is the battery sign. Then when you start it, those should disappear. So guys, it's disappear, so there's no more battery sign in there. So as we talked about a while ago, so when you turn it on, battery or indicator lamp will turn on, because this wire gives you a ground, and then as soon as you start the car, this will convert or become positive, and this will shut off. And as you can see, it shut off, and we saw it has a 14 volt charging. So guys, this is like a perfect example of how to diagnose a bad alternator. So guys, don't just replace parts. You need to confirm, you need to test and diagnose it properly. Now because it has a low your battery won't charge, meaning your alternator is bad. You still need to diagnose it properly. So guys, if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Alright guys, the car has been running for more than 10 minutes now. Let's turn it off, and let's see if it charged. So it's off. Now let's start it again. Nice. Wow. Charging. Yeah, brand new alternator. That's the battery. So that's it. It's just a bonus video.